This is the troubleshooting video for the Hewitt Hydraulic Pump Box spring install. It's important to use extreme caution when servicing your hydraulic pump. Use both gloves and eye protection when working on it. During spring install, the most common issue that we see is that the lift only operates in one direction. This is caused by the fittings not being fully tightened down, or when there's pressure in the line when making the connection. Start by running the hydraulic lines through the back of the box. Notice that there's both a male and female end. Both the male and female end have a compression nipple that, when depressed, allows the hydraulic fluid to flow. Note, to make this work, there needs to be no pressure in the hydraulic system. In order to have proper flow, both nipples need to be fully depressed. This can only happen by fully tightening down the fittings. Repeat this process on the other line. At this point, you're ready to go ahead and open up both hydraulic valves. Adjust the flow control valves to your desired lift speed. To ensure a smooth lift operation, adjust the valves accordingly. Each season, it's important to top off the hydraulic fluid. You're now ready to go ahead and test your lift. Hydraulic lines will remain under pressure, so it's important to use all safety precautions when working on your lift. For further detail on hose connection, follow the link in the description below.